Right now, we're going to the official flagging off, led by our guest.
Umwe wa mirimu iria ikoragwo ikirehe kigiriko kinene micii ni murimu wa ngoro kuri ciana. Na gutigira ciana iria ciumite micii irete hotete ni ciamukira urigiti mukinyaneru. Gikundi kia hatu rungu rwa thibitari ya Karen miaka 23 mihituku ni giakinyukire ikinya ria kwambiria woko na itemi ria kuungania mbeca cia kurigita na guthinjwo mirimu ya ngoro ya ciana.
The ones who were here in 1993 are now very old people. Imagine.
Nikio farafaraini ino ya rangata umuthi ciana cia kuma mathukuru matiganite bururi-ini makumururukite woku-ini niguo guteithĩrĩria aruna ao aria marorite mirimo ya ngoro. Ukinya riu athagania a ihinya riri makoretwo makiamukira urugamiriri kuma kambuni ya Royal Media Services iria niyo nyene ceceni ino ya Inooro TV. Ikereka ria mwaka uyu niri kuhumbitwo thumbi-ini mwandiki munene wa kiama kia Jubilee niwe Rafael Tuju na murugamiri munene wa Karen Hospital niwe Dr. Dan Gikonyo.
The two doctors, Dr. Betty Gikonyo and Dan Gikonyo, and the whole family have been behind this. They are a great inspiration to us, and I hope that we can have more Kenyans doing this kind of thing.
A sore throat alone produces bacteria which goes to the heart to grow there and causes that bacterial heart disease, the rheumatic heart disease. Here a child is having a sore throat, to go quickly to the clinic and get penicillin, which is only 50 shillings. 50 shillings worth of medicine will prevent over 500,000 shillings worth of pain.
Ihinya riri ithaganagio o mwaka na ukinya riu atafari awo kwino ni mahotete guteithĩrĩria ciana nyingi kurigitwo mirimo ya ngoro. Ngiribota Inooro TV njitagwo Simon Maceria wa Wangui.